Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a new video today which is showing you how I apply my new hair extensions. So I've taken my tape extensions out. I held on to them for dear life as long as I could, but I couldn't do it anymore. They were just growing out and they were long and they were flapping around, so I thought, do you know what, I'm just gonna have to take them out. I do hair extensions, I do tapes, but I just did not want to do my own tape. I thought, why not just give my hair a break. I'm gonna do loads and loads of treatments on my hair while I've got the tapes out, and I treated myself to some Beauty Works hair extensions which I've got in my hair now. I think they are amazing. I'm really happy with these. I keep touching my hair because they're just so smooth, they're shiny. I'm really happy. I didn't actually use all the hair, there's still a strand here. My hair is really thin and short and just pathetic, so I just don't need as much as somebody else might. I think there's 7 in the pack, but yeah, I'm really pleased with these. Let's get into the video. So this is 20-inch Ebony double wefted Remy human hair. I've just heard and seen so many good reviews on Beauty Works hair, and I know it's nice and thick. My hair, as you can see, is not a kind of one length. It desperately needs a cut. I probably haven't had it cut in about, I would probably say about 12 weeks, maybe even longer. But because it is a little bit sort of shabby and or whatever the word is, it will blend really well. So that is one good thing, I guess. I like length and volume, so hence why I've gone for 20 inches. Okay, so let's start unboxing. I'm so excited. Oh, look at that. I hope that the colour match is right as well. Although that does. Oh, that looks perfect actually. It's maybe a little bit lighter than my hair, but we can run with it because my hair will lighten up. I only ordered these like Friday and it's Tuesday, so they've come really quick. Quality of the hair is absolutely amazing. There's one, and you've got the clips which are nice and easy. Oh, number 2, which is the same. Number 3, another 3 clipped piece of hair, and then 2 smaller ones which I'll probably just put on the side. Okay, so I'm going to do the first one just about here where my ears are. Okay. Just tie the hair up like that and clip. This is not the best brush to use, but right now it's the only one I can find. I don't know where my pintail is, but I am just going to back comb the top bit where I'm going to clip the hair, just because my hair's really fine, as you can see, and I just feel like if I do that, it's going to sort of grip on a little bit better. So unclip, clip. And then bring it forward like that. Okay, I think we're done there. Right, and then my next section, I'm going to go about here. Obviously you can place them however you want. Some people would have thicker hair, so you might need to go a little bit higher. Cool, and then I think I'm going to go in with the 4-piece. See what I mean? My hair is so thin. I don't even think I need all of these. For my next layer, I'm only going to go slightly higher. Wowza, I'm loving these. So I've got one more, but I don't even feel like I need it really. Look, like, I'm not gonna wear the last one because I don't actually feel like I need to, and I don't want it to be. Just seeing if I can do any other styles with it. Oh, I've got my side ones. I will put them in. Why not? Put one there. That's good for me. So yeah, I'm really happy. And it's so soft. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe if you want to ask me anything about the hair, or about extensions in general, tapes, micro rings, anything like that. Please leave a comment below. I'd be happy to answer any questions. And I hope everyone is doing well, whether you're back at work yet or not. I hope you're just keeping busy, positive and happy in this time. If there are any videos you think I should do, or you have any recommendations for me, please again drop below, and I will see you soon in my next video. Take care, bye.